Scene script. Ever been hauling a load across the country when your semi sputters and dies? Smoke billowing, heart racing. It's a trucker's worst nightmare. But don't panic. Truck Repair Directory is here to help. We're your one-stop shop for finding qualified and reliable semi-truck repair shops across the USA and Canada. With a few clicks or a quick call, you can be back on the road in no time. Need a semi-repair shop now? Call us toll-free. 1-844-888-7587. Forget wasting time searching online or calling around. Our easy-to-use online directory and mobile app put the power of knowledge right in your pocket. Search by location, type of repair needed, and even filter by shop ratings and reviews. We understand that not all repair shops are created equal. That's why we focus on connecting you with specialized semi-truck repair facilities. See real photos and videos of the shops, meet their experienced mechanics, and get a feel for their expertise. Tired of generic repair shops? Find your perfect USA and Canada semi-repair partner. Here, with Truck Repair Directory, you get more than just a list of shops. We offer peace of mind, knowing you'll be connected to verified shops with a proven track record of high-quality semi-truck repair, 24/7 emergency service for urgent repairs, and transparent pricing with upfront estimates. Don't let a semi-breakdown disrupt your business and delivery deadlines. Truck Repair Directory is your trusted resource for finding the perfect semi-truck repair shop in the USA and Canada. Visit our website today and get back on the road fast.